So this is the handheld sticker printer. It's currently on. That's the light. I'll turn that off for you here so you can see. You turn it off, the light turns off. Turn it on, just hold the button in, and the light turns on. This is now on. Now, after you've downloaded after the app is installed, you'll be able to connect on here. Your Bluetooth is open. You'll go to connect. We're going to connect. Printer is now connected. Now you have different options. So we're going to do a sketchbook. We're going to do vertical. We're going to do text, and you can see you can increase and decrease the size. So we'll start here and we'll do test, and then come back to here. We're going to turn off the underline, bring that down, put it in the center, make it bold, and we can pick a different font. We'll go with Ravioli, allow, and now we've changed our font. And then to print, we're just going to, oh no, here we'll throw an emoji in there as well. You have different emojis. We'll pick the thumbs up. We're going to hit print, and then print, and there is your sticker. This is the ID print. This is a portable sticker printer, Bluetooth to your phone. If you saw the rest of the video, connects to your phone, and we just printed out the test with the thumbprint, and that was all done on Bluetooth via the little printer. Your paper roll sits right in there, and after you've printed the sticker, simply peel it off, and now you have a sticker. Bluetooth sticker printer.